New Trap National Liberation Council kalathung yauba Fernando Sangpleng banlong unong yesaj nak benta ka seng sya ka tribunal manikun dak an halor ka jingsya khen bi an hak sarkar India habakren matkinong tho ko boruk siang ga channel C uba sadon bla ulai thu ba ka seng kalathung yau unong yesaj an uba Fernando Sangpleng ban mikmat ya ka seng sya ka tribunal bat ban yesaj halor ka jingsya khen bi an ya ka seng kani ka dei ka sinjam ba ka seng ka rai kalong ka banengkong nadu belatung ya ka tribunal house nem ar hajar ar nagleng uba Fernando Sangpleng ubala simti ya ka neka kam banya saj na ka benta ka HNLC ulai itu ya ki kendon ki bak sarkar pedeng kalapen bena bean ya ka HNLC bar nagleng jong u un saya saj ya kamat ka tribunal hakaba andon justice Sumitra Saikia unong esaj ban mikmat yak sarkar India Subhash Chandra KL andon ru kinong mikmat nak sarkar jalla hakaba an mikmat da ki police officer haka kerdan IPS bat ki SP jong ki district
bentar apa kita dah ini betul sekarang ini betul. Masuklah penting bunyi bah lalu senam arjarat lembaga sarkar kami lembaga Ministry of Home Affairs dapat feedback dari state government kita declare ka HNLC pun ka band organization atau ka UET maksudnya dengan dalam ini bah Fernando Sangpleng ke kaji terpari orang ber hak apa tu ni untuk naik kandung ke hearing ke bala khot nak ni nak tribunal yang bala ila yang seng HNLC bahkan kontes yang ni ke jingshaban bahkan ni dikasih ke bandingkong dulu senang awal halu mentah bahkan HNLC kalau orang biling bahkan kontes yang ni ke declaration as a illegal organization yang seng ni berkoi kata kata ini cuma tahu dengan benar bahkan benda Kambun dan lawyer yang kalau kasih kelatung lembaga city of appointment kepada dia sendiri dari rumah jalan besar kepada tung dan kasih ya ibarat Fernando Sangpleng kumu nong sadai bernikmat yang kasih hak apa terik hak mak tribunal jangka Union Home Ministry berkontes yang kata jingsya declare kasih asal kumkata ban organization di bawah di bentar apa ini lawyer ini percaya ya pi press media senang berkata mungkin yo ya ketika jikit
cerita jadi hello nomor itu hak baik dari partner kes kepada juga kemudian juga dari UAP mau tribunal mau ini ketika kawan beda dengan kita home Ministry of Home Affairs lembaga lagi ke notification New Delhi yang terkini nomor 4 dan 24 di hak bayi bukan ni malah isu yang ada notification atau yang ada ni ke kes apa kontes ni hambo kapan sedang ni hambo kan state convention kapan nong hak aku atribut macam tahu ada apa di hati orang kini kemudian mana kali ngemasek di tempat terkum kini ka notification kita bu syaiba ka section C kum kawai nak kita kisah siapa ka sarkar lanyo bakit di lanyo bakit ke ban outfit mah on mah di hadu kopor di kalabu syai ni ba kimpo dahu konsen advocate u konsen mah ban yakun yang dikakamti halo ni kan orang di nak kalian bekas yo kesedi kelayan sekemat bat lingba itu siapa yang penting itu terus de kelapa yang ada city mo kani kabupaten lingba juga New Trap National Liberation Council mo kani industri umat ada besar bat thau saya itu Fernando Sangpleng appointment of legal representative with reference to the subject mentioned above the New Trap National Liberation Council HNLC is pleased to appoint Master Fernando Sangpleng as its legal representative to represent the organization in matters relating to the extension of the declaration of HNLC as a ban organization by the Ministry of Home Affairs Government of India. As rescheduled date of the hearing has been fixed on the 22nd March 2024 at State Convention Center, Shillong. 2025 at the State Convention Center, Shillong, be clear. The HLC hereby informed the concerned authorities that the concern has appointed the aforesaid mentioned advocate to represent the organization in this matter, issued by the authority of NLC, and the has been signed by Bobby R. Marwin, Chairman of the HLC, and San Kopar Nongtrao, General Secretary of NLC. The Harvard Inglayo Yaganiga, Chiti, Naksen, the Nagalian Kajumiru, Nakum, we concern submit Yaganiga, intimidation, letter report, office from OSP, and it is clear. The but Namiju Kaporo, Hagabede Ganiban, represent the thing you can give him a Matama, Hagabede Ganiga UAP, Kabala, issue the ministry, Hakaletri Nambar, Ma, Kabani submit Mantagasmi, Hakatari, Bumaj, Arabisan. But Yaganila, the receipt that Naka Kalian Nonga, office from OSP. Ke kendiat halal bat keniamo halal ngakwa percaya kendiat halal balik kenega not fiction kabar dei ban nyinyat kabar labu ba lakhen ya kai chila simo ba ya kani ba kani kata kaseng kabar takom kejibu joka Ministry of Home Affairs Union of India kala ba kini ba ka agency maintain links with other insurgent groups. Mo, long ini bagi hibuan kita, kaya kita nak kalian ke Home Ministry kapu, mo, long ha, peni bakas agency kadang keti, mo, bagi ini of the northeastern region, filtering out acts of aggression and intimidation. Shishu mo kadang pun ke point dulu ke ni ba, indulged in 48 criminal cases. Including the several cases of expression or plan of the explosive in the state of Meghalaya. During the period from 16 November 2019 to 30 June 2024. Hisuru kaniga nufshan ko amba kakat ko ka 100 November aja katna to 19 June 2024 ba. Lada kem hadu ba 73 of its during the said period. But any period mo kani kawan dengan innovation. Ti sisu ngako apan ane hagabide ba kani ba ya kan katkum kani ka section 3(1) jongka UAP 1967 ka kran shai ne ba ya ka New Threat National Liberation Council along with all its faction wings and front organization has as an unlawful association. The central government having regards to the unlawful activities mentioned above, that the unlawful activities committed in the past by the New Threat National Liberation Council is of the opinion that circumstances which necessary to declare the New Threat National Liberation Council HNLC along with all its faction wings and front organization as unlawful association. In exercise of the power conferred by the provision of Section 3 of Subsection 3 of Section 3 of the said Act. Murkanig unlawful activities prevention. Hanging Ramba, maybe under Section 4 of the said Act, have been in effect from the 16th of November 2024 for a period of 5 years. Murkatan kecingkan illegal unlawful yang kesen agency. Kabagawan nak buat kena Home Ministry Environment. Kalau kena nomor berapa? Kalau bu constitute lu hangne more, ya kena unlawful activities prevention tribunal. Mo kena kebawan ni nampo. Kaya in the matter of the New Threat National Liberation Council (HNLC) of Meghalaya, dated 3/1/2025. Present Honorable Master Justice Sumitra Saikia, that is the presiding officer. Shri Subhas Chandra KL, then Special Prosecutor, represented on behalf of the Union of India. But Kumjoro Nagalian of the state government la present lagi IPS sama. Direkat berkiwi ki besar di Jogja, kepada Jogja ha Superintendent of Police Shillong Branch Jong Meghalaya. te ka oda ka bami ni ka kum kene profession kene ka tarik ko ba khala ke tu November area sal issued by the government of India in the Gazette of India Dictionary state the reason and ground that declared the new threat National Liberation Council of Meghalaya hereinafter referred to HLC as unlawful association within the meaning of section 3(1) of the UAP Act 1967 kata kawan Katkokanika UAP Act okay Shushu anong ni ba another Gazette notification dated 6 December 2024 was issued in the Gazette of India Dictionary constitute the tribunal for adjudicating whether or not there is a sufficient cause for declaring the aforesaid organization as unlawful association under the Act. Ini poin mo, sebab kata clear pun. Nak kalian tu kalian, macam mesti kalian kon kalian. Mo, di nang tulis isu kakum kalian the able, no? Kaya tribunal kakum ke section 42 mo, 41 of the Act mo. Hani larang sentet ini kupang ala keren mana hani dah umastar kesi KL bulan special counsel. But nak state government lah pasal nak niki dok IPS nak SB office mah ke kumjoro nak hamni kaum roh ni ba have to tender appearance on behalf of nak kalian dok office dok SP office nanti on behalf of the office of DGP Meghalaya on condition of the material placed on record the central government and after a hearing Masdar KL Land Special Counsel Union of India and from the office of SP represented by the APS. It is a prima facie suspect that notice under section 4(2) of the Act should be issued to the opposite organization along with instruction, bill and organization. Kami kata notice, kaya kumna kami notice kat rekamo limba kating issue juga setar jongkai union government. Kawai kalau pen baka issue siya ka secretary limba by publication along with a copy of the Gazette notification dated 13 November 2024 in two daily newspapers, one in national newspaper in English and the other one in prominent local Bekunala language newspaper, having wide circulation in the area where the activities of the agency are ordinarily carried on within 14 days. Which is kami notification lami ke issue aku angkaran Sagaway, the notice covered by displaying the notice along with the copy of the Gazette notification dated 13 November 2024 on the notice board of the Deputy Commissioner. Every Deputy Commissioner the Nangta USDM, Superintendent of Police in all the district headquarters of the state where the activities of the HLC were to be believed to be ordinarily carried on. Notice also been sent on the state government on Meghalaya through its chief secretary. Kani ko notice kalaya. Shushu kani ko notice and the Gazette notification dated 13 November 2024. Be also announced in the All India Radio, Nanta electronic media at the prime time. That and shall also be posted at the prominent place in the state where the activities of the HNLC were on the or the belief to be carried on. Shushu kanika notice kaya by publishing on the website of the Ministry of Home Affairs, Union of India, and of the Department of Home and Political Government of India. Shushu kanika notice by any other possible modes including email, etc. The central government also asked the state government of Meghalaya shall make necessary and adequate arrangement for the service of notice. Kani kawan badeh lo kani ba nakalian juga isolasi kasawan sakmat bat bo yo kan dalam taban ya kon ya kani ba ka isolasi halo jingkai bi an ka isolasi de susu kani kelabo kani tarik mo kani kelabo lo ni habo haka kalau bu katarik kadi katan tadi sebenarnya pak katan tadi sebenarnya pak agak rosan kadi ini hapus ti convention mo hamba tu nak kalian dong seni bat bu konsol nak kadau nak kalian dong kai sesi kan le ke susu ngaku akan percaya pi mentah kadang sekawai mo ba kani kawan beta po the office of registrar on lawful activities prevention of deputy registrar bench that floor Guwahati High Court new building Guwahati mo ini address to the New Threat National Revolution Council agency of Meghalaya where ngachka berpulih ni mo whereas the state government in size of the poor conferred by subsection 1 of section 3 of the हमने has been declared the New Threat National Revolution Council agency of Meghalaya along with all its function wings and front organization to be on the full session with immediate effect from 16/11/2024 with instruction number 3920E published in the Gazette of India dated 13 November 2024. Aku akan mengenai whereas the White Gazette notification number kedua kepala issue 100 Disember besar. In exercise of the power under section 5(1) of the Act, the central government has constituted the unlawful activities prevention tribunal comprising of the Justice Sumitra Saikia, Judge Guwahati High Court for the purpose of activity. Ini kemudian activity without or not that instruction cause for declaring the state New Threat National Revolution Council as unlawful action as declared by section 1 of section 4 of the UPA. Maka one issue ini. Therefore, a notice is hereby given under the subsection 2 of section 4 of the Act, read with Rule 3 of Rule 6 of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Rule 1968, and you are hereby called upon to show cause in writing within 30 days from the date of the service of the notice as to why the said New Threat National Revolution Council agency of Meghalaya should not be declared as unlawful association and why an order should not be made confirming the declaration to the above effect made in the above mentioned notification. Tadi kadi lain tarik Januari akhir pesan. But any objection, reply, written statement if any may be filed, delivered within the statutory period of 30 days from the date of service of the notice before the registrar of the tribunal. The undersigned at the chamber of the deputy registrar, third floor Guwahati High Court, Guwahati. In case objection, reply, written statement are in original or regional or vernacular language. Through English translation thereof shall be also attached. Susu kan kita mo. You are required to appear sebagai dikentin mo before the tribunal or make cause an appearance on your behalf before the tribunal on the 15/2/2025 at State Convention Center, Shillong, Meghalaya, either through a authorized representative or an instructed counsel or advocate. Whereafter, irrespective of your appearance, the tribunal shall proceed as per section 3 of section 4 of the Act. But ia kini hearing by the tribunal labu akan dilakukan sendiri. Jadi nanggalin juga tribunal, nanggalin juga eksekusi ke tempat represent by kamu counsel. Teman-teman nanggalin juga jom ke eksekusi kelatuk yang aku tahu counsel. Nanggalin juga proceed kemat ini kes. Agak beda begini, jadi kain berlain agak eksekusi. Di ini kun nampak kini di kanal baru nanggalin juga nanggalin kemat.
Kumupiong
Kita syakkan tidak itu. Kadang lalu 16 November ada terkendai 230 June 73 of its conduct.
Kemudian
kalau kecing bu ya gini poin takkan Home Ministry mo Government of India mo ya gini dia kan dia admin. Lalu tadi dia nak kalian juga agensi kanya sekemat ban tadi ban atau kanya sakut ke ingin saya pek aku.
kemudian ini pada yang tua bedi batak.
Kalian Ministry of Home Affairs Notification SO4920E. Ini dalam poin ba Kalau kata bahwa nukong orang apa declare agency untuk kerabaan nation, nama point nukong kan, kalau mereka declare aja objective jauh saya, kalau secession of areas of the state of Meghalaya largely inhabited by Khasi and Chantia tribes from India. Tadi point one. Kalau Allah tragically kalau continue intimidation and bullying of the civilian population for extortion of fund. Kata bahwa karun kan kita juga kalau kita extortion of fund. Kepala yang agency maintaining with other insurgent group in Northeast. Kita point. Kalau sahawang bagan tentang atau sahawang kuatli criminal cases. Kalau control ki expression dan ki planting of explosive harap Islam Meghalaya. Nakusnya mana lu kalau terus luar ada khandai ada mulai kotor jun jalan besar. Nangka but I pass away the point of whereas the following has also been noted during the period of November the khandai ada mulai jun ada besar. But new plan second but sejak sebelum kita ada sebelum lo kita ini nolak kalau pasang nolak kan kita tribunal but declare it as a bad organization but next time yang kita declare
Kung